Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the ENE.SYS driver error that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer that's preventing a driver from loading on this device. The error message show a security settings is detecting this as a vulnerable driver and blocking it from loading. You'll need to adjust your settings to load this driver. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung Open. And then next step, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot na see more. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung option. And then dito sa kanyang folder options. So, ang next step, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung general. And then next ay kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung view. And then dito sa view and advanced settings, ang gagawin mo dito, kailangan mo lang isinig dito yung show hidden files, folders, and drives off. So, select mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang dito yung apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. So, ang next step na ating gagawin. So, dito lang sa left side menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong this PC. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa ating devices and drives, dito lang sa ating C drive. So, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-locate yung ENE.SYS. Alright? So, ito siya. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-rename. So, click mo lang yan and then right click. And then select mo lang dito yung show more option. And then rename. So, dito kailangan lang natin lagyan ng number 1 sa ENE and then 1.SYS. And then next step ay press mo yung enter, then click mo tong continue. Ayan. So, na-rename na natin dito. So, once na-rename na natin dito, so close lang natin to. And then next ay step natin gagawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung core isolation. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, dito sa core isolations, memory integrity, so, ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-turn off. Okay? So, click mo lang tong button niya, turn option. And then, if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. So, ang next step, so close lang natin to. And then, dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. I-click mo lang to. Okay? So, ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix ENE.SYS driver cannot load on this device in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.